You'll surely be surprised. Makita has some amazing tools you've probably never seen before. In today's video, we'll explore 12 powerful Makita tools that can completely upgrade your workshop. Watch until the end, because the final tool is a surprising Makita-compatible gadget that most people don't even know exists. Number 1. Taking the number 1 spot is a tool that belongs in every serious toolbox. The Makita XDT13Z delivers incredible fastening power in an impressively compact design. Its brushless motor provides longer runtime, increased efficiency, and exceptional durability. Despite its lightweight build, it generates serious torque capable of driving large fasteners effortlessly. The ergonomic grip enhances comfort during extended projects, while its compact size allows access to tight workspaces. Number 2. Forget everything you know about cordless chainsaws. This powerful Makita model delivers impressive cutting performance without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas-powered alternatives. Its brushless motor maximizes efficiency while providing strong cutting power. The 14-inch guide bar handles trimming branches, cutting firewood, and property maintenance with ease. Instant startup means no pull cords or fuel mixing. Number 3. A quality drill driver is the backbone of any tool collection, and this Makita model is built to handle almost anything. Compact and powerful, it offers excellent drilling and fastening performance in a lightweight package. The brushless motor improves battery life while increasing durability. Multiple speed settings provide versatility across a wide range of applications. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or hardware installations, this drill delivers consistent results. Number 4. When precision and power matter, this cordless circular saw is ready to perform. Built for smooth, accurate cuts, it easily handles framing lumber, plywood, and other construction materials. The cordless design gives you complete mobility around the job site without being tied to outlets. Its lightweight construction improves control while reducing fatigue. The ergonomic handle provides excellent comfort during extended use. Number 5. This brushless angle grinder is designed for users who demand serious cutting and grinding power. The high-performance motor delivers impressive results across a wide variety of materials. An electric brake quickly stops the wheel for increased safety and efficiency. The paddle switch design offers improved comfort and control. Whether you're cutting metal, removing rust, or shaping materials, this grinder handles demanding applications with ease. It's a practical tool that helps keep your workspace clean and organized. Number 6. Cleaning up after a project becomes quick and easy with this compact cordless vacuum. Despite its lightweight design, it delivers surprisingly strong suction power for dust, debris, and everyday messes. The cordless platform allows unrestricted movement around workshops, vehicles, and homes. Its portable size makes it ideal for quick cleanups without dragging out larger equipment. Easy maintenance and simple operation enhance convenience even further. Number 7. This powerful blower is designed to make cleanup faster and more efficient. Powered by Makita's dual battery platform, it generates impressive airflow capable of clearing leaves, dust, and job site debris. The brushless motor improves runtime and overall efficiency. Variable speed controls provide flexibility for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. Lightweight construction reduces user fatigue while maintaining strong performance. Number 8. Complex cuts become simple with this versatile cordless jigsaw. Designed for precision and flexibility, it handles curves, straight cuts, and intricate designs with ease. Variable speed settings allow optimal performance across different materials. The built-in blower keeps cutting lines visible for improved accuracy. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort during long projects. Whether you're a woodworker, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, this tool offers the versatility needed for detailed cutting applications. Number 9. A flawless finish starts with proper sanding, and this random orbit sander excels at the task. Its efficient motor provides smooth and consistent sanding performance while minimizing vibration. Cordless operation allows unrestricted movement around larger projects. The integrated dust collection system helps maintain a cleaner workspace. Variable speed controls provide greater flexibility across different materials and finishes. From furniture restoration to woodworking projects, this sander helps deliver professional-looking results every time. Number 10. Low tire pressure can quickly become a major inconvenience, but this compact inflator provides a fast solution. It delivers powerful inflation performance for vehicle tires, bicycle tires, sports equipment, and more. The digital display provides precise pressure readings for maximum accuracy. Automatic shutoff prevents overinflation and simplifies operation. Its compact size makes it easy to store in vehicles or toolboxes. The built-in LED light adds extra convenience during nighttime emergencies. Number 11. Handling fuel manually can be messy and time-consuming, but this cordless transfer pump makes the process remarkably simple. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it quickly transfers fuel with minimal effort. Multiple adapters increase compatibility with various containers and equipment. The portable design makes it easy to transport between job sites. Whether you're refueling lawn equipment, generators, or vehicles, it helps reduce spills and improve efficiency. For anyone who regularly handles fuel, this tool can be a huge time saver. Number 12. After a long day on the job site, staying cool can make all the difference. This portable misting fan combines powerful airflow with refreshing mist technology to combat extreme heat. Powered by Makita 18V batteries, it delivers reliable cooling performance almost anywhere. The large water tank provides extended operation, while adjustable speeds allow customized comfort. Built-in LED lighting adds versatility for nighttime use. Perfect for construction sites, camping trips, workshops, and outdoor activities, this fan transforms hot environments into far more comfortable workspaces. And that's our list of 12 amazing Makita tools you can get right now. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.